So today's quick tip is going to be super simple, guys. I'm sleep deprived, but rain or shine, we're going to get something up here. Now we just heard our synth part, our little synth melody playback with no problem. But if I were to click in the ruler, say at bar 3 and begin playback from here, we're not hearing that note. If I come here to bar 6, playback, we're not hearing that note. As you can imagine, I can skip ahead to bar 9 and we are not hearing this MIDI note either. Now for the life of me, I can't remember if this setting is off or on by default, but if you have longer MIDI notes for a melody or chord progression and you go to playback and you're not getting any audio, but if we come before a note begins, say here at bar 8 and playback, it is picking up that note on information at the beginning of our note here, but what about when we're playing back after the note has already begun? Well, let's Control comma to open up the options menu, and then we can come over to the advanced tab here, and then let's come to our MIDI tab, and we have a setting for chase long notes. Again, I can't remember if this is on or off by default, but if it's off by default, this is going to be useful for newcomers to Studio Pro 8. Now, after we go ahead and select that box, I'll click Apply and OK. Now, if we come back to bar 3, we do have playback. We'll come to 6 and to bar 10. So now we can hear our longer MIDI notes playing back, whether we start at the beginning to get that note on information or whether we start back after the note has already begun, we're going to hear that play back. Okay, and with that, guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap up. As I mentioned, this is going to be a super simple one. Doing tutorials every single day, even if they're quick tips, is not as easy as it may sound. And if you've been following along for these last 25, 26 days, I hope that you've picked up some useful tips. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you are interested in training directly with me, one-on-one over Zoom, to speed up your learning curve with Studio Pro 8 or earlier versions of Studio One, check out the pinned comment below or the description area of this video, and I hope to see you in tomorrow's tutorial.